Control practice started. Winston lead. Chris Sakai. Jump. Right on. Unknown driver. 18-8. 17 flat. 20.1 spare medium. 19-1. 17-7. 16-9. 17 flat. 17.
Oh my God, what the hell did I do?
19-7.
I got a self-marshal now.
18. 20.1. 20.1. 17-9. 15 flat. 16-9. 25.2. 18 flat. 18-3. 18-1.
Oh, sorry, Narn.
20.2. 13 flat. 17-8. 48.8. 22.4. 19-1. 37.2. 15-4. 17-7. 17-1. 32 flat. 16-7. 27.2. 48.8. 16-7. 17-4. 17-5. 15-6.
Sorry.
17-5. 17-3. 16 flat. 18-3. 16-3. 19-9. 15-8. 21.1. 20.2. 18 flat. 16-9. 15-8. 15-7. 16-2.
Everybody triple check. I don't care what cars they are. Triple check your cars. Make sure you meet chassis minimum ride heights.
16-4.
And also body minimum ride heights. Just because your chassis is a 12 scale and you're at 3 doesn't mean your body's at 3. Your body should be more like at 8.
Oh, traction roll.
Should be about 5 millimeters above what your ride height is.
18-9. 17-7.
Watch the back straight.
16-8. 22 flat. 15-6. 19-9. 17 flat.
Upside down in the right side, guys.
17-6. 22 flat. 22 flat. 19-3. 17-6.
Oh,
16-2.
Watch the center of the track, guys.
18-3.
Be nice to the velocity.
Yeah, I noticed.
17-4. 17-2. 17-7. 17-1. 18-6.
Be nice to the velocity NASCAR. He's faster than most of you.
16-6. 16-3. 16-7. 15-5. 17-9. 16-8. 36.9. 49.3. 17-9. 19-4.
Minute and 25 seconds left. And then where we restart the cycle, we'll go to
17-7.
open
16-3.
sessions.
17-9.
121.5 session.
19-6.
The 21.5 guys aren't anticipating you're going to be running again unless you guys don't want me to leave it open.
14-2.
You want it?
16-8.
Okay.
17-3. 17-3.
So 2 sessions of open are up next.
18-8.
All different for super controlled practice, that's what you're going to get.
16-1. 16-6. 16-6. 16-4. 19-9.
35 seconds.
19-5. 21.1. 17-2.
CRX parking right here.
17-2. 16-7. 16-5.
Oh, man. That's what we should do. We should make it only a CRX series. Everyone's got to run an 80 CRX.
18-9. 37.3. 17-9. 36.
I'm going to make sure I have a smooth Hobby Wing smooth version. Motor, dude.
21.1.
Mugen. My Mugen version, CRX, quadruple side drafts. Alright, you're done. Oh, you're out. 25 seconds. Sorry, 25 more seconds. Keep hitting each other for 25 more seconds.